Hello, I'm Kesha from What You Need to Know Right. Since sharks are my favorite type of animals, I'm starting a series on sharks. This is the first episode of my shark series. Episode 1 is going to be about the great white shark. The great white shark is a ferocious predator. First, 50% of shark attacks are reported on great white sharks. They also have a torpedo-like body, which makes them go at extreme speeds, and not to mention their tail, which also makes them go at extreme speeds, and their snout's kind of pointed like this, which, science fact, goes aerodynamically, so it makes more speed. And also the flatness of a dorsal fin has enough air to break through and make the shark go extremely fast. And also due to the shark's lateral lines, it has a keen sense of sensing food or prey nearby. So if you drop some blood into 25 gallons of water and there's a shark nearby, it'll follow the blood and eat whatever animal bleeded there. And the sharks also have serrated, like knife-like teeth. They're kind of like mini teeth, I would say. So if it moves up and down, it has a chainsaw-like movement, and then it will rip apart the food and then turn into this like shredded some sort of food. And they also have a bite force of 18,000 newtons, which is extremely strong, but not as strong as a saltwater crocodile, which has the strongest bite force of any other animal in the animal kingdom. Most sharks are cold-blooded, so their blood stays at one temperature. But the great white, on the other hand, is warm-blooded like humans, which means their blood can change temperatures due to the environment, which is an advantage, so they can live longer than the cold-blooded sharks. Where can I find a great white shark? Well, great white sharks can be found in cool coastal waters, but they're mostly high populated in Australia. They are migratory creatures, just like birds. They can move to one place to another, like during different climates. Just like great white sharks in the Pacific Ocean. They move from Hawaii to Mexico. Why are great white sharks called that way? Well, little Timmy, if you wanted to know why, they're the largest predatory fish alive, the oldest living cartilaginous fish, and the top part of the fish, and the top part of the shark is a slatish color, while the bottom is a white. The white blends in with the top of the sea, so when there's a predator or prey under it, it'll get confused, so it'll swim away, and then the shark comes in, eats the prey, drags it to its doom, and eats it. Now let's move on to the fun facts. Did you know that baby sharks are called pups? They can weigh up to 50 to 60 pounds. So far, there are no great whites living in aquariums because their habitats are not big enough to be in captivity. Because the ones in SeaWorld have already been released due to their habitat size. And also, when sharks open up their mouth for a bite, they're completely blind because their eyes move into their sockets. So that's why when you see a great white shark open their mouth, their eyes are just straight up black, as like they're looking into your soul. And when they close their mouth and kind of open it, it looks like they're smiling. So imagine every time you do that, you're just smiling. And also, females are just at least a meter taller than the male. Now you're at the end of the video. I hope this video taught you much about the great white shark, why it's called that, how it's so ferocious, and some fun facts. I hope you liked this video. Like the bell, subscribe, tap the bell, comment down below. Bye! Oof!